National Bingo Night is an Indian game show based on the American game show with the same name, produced by Urban Brew Studios, which scheduled to premiere on Colors TV on 23 January 2010. The show is hosted by Indian actor Abhishek Bachchan. The first celebrity guest on the show was Amitabh Bachchan, the father of the show's host. Overview: National Bingo Night is marketed as an interactive experience for both the studio audience and viewers at home. Members of the studio audience attempted to win a game of bingo while competing against a solo studio contestant as well as live television audience. How to play: in each episode, 2 fast-paced rounds of bingo are played. The contestant plays one of many in-studio games, which is driven by the game ball numbers 1 to 75. The nation can play alongside the studio contestant by crossing out the numbers on their own National Bingo Night tickets. Each ticket is only applicable for the game number specified on it. Every episode of the game show will have 2 games, a yellow ticket game and a green ticket game. The host announces the game number and color of the ticket to be played on at the beginning of each game. The home viewer has to circle the numbers announced by the host that are taken out of the dome if they appear on their ticket. Viewers are instructed not to poke a hole in their tickets or scratch out or strike through the numbers. All the ball's numbers that are taken out will be displayed on the television screen from time to time during the game. Marketing: National Bingo Night had teaser campaign running in the form of Abhishek Bachchan classes, where individuals could take a quiz of being lazy, sign a lazy petition, earn a certificate for being lazy, or the coin term being a Rami. The show was first unveiled to viewers via a teaser campaign and witnessed the host, Abhishek Bachchan, associated with Abhishek's Bachchan classes. Celebrity guests. References. External links. Official website. Download bingo tickets. Colors TV. Abhishek Bachchan classes.